Hi friends, this is CC and welcome to Hobby Hands. In this vlog, we'll do an unboxing of this, which is the Academy 1/72nd scale US Air Force F-15E. It's outside of the box. The kit number is 12478. And this kit was issued in 2013. The outside of the box has a couple of pictures of the finished model. And on the other side of the box, more pictures of the finished model. And now let's have a look at what's inside the box. Right, so we've got the instruction manual with a listing of the colors to be used. This is the parts list, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprues. That's one clear sprue and 5 grey plastic sprues. Let's have a look inside. So the fuselage is almost all in a gunship grey. Here you go. Instructions are quite clear. Looking forward to doing this. Let's have a look at the parts. In this bag, the first sprue we'll see is the large body parts, which is the wings and the body, all molded into one. There's no flash and recessed panel lines. I will probably run through the parts with a scriber just to get the panel lines a little bit deeper. You can see that there's some ejector pin marks, but this is on the inside of the parts, so once you assemble it should not be visible. Let's have a look at the second sprue. First thing we see is the conformal fuel tanks, some pylons, bombs, very good because there's no flash. Those are the sensors. Now this is the clear parts. The 3 parts here, and the parts are well molded, very clear, without any flash, and does not seem to be any distortion. This sprue contains more of the body parts with the engine nozzles, the nose cone, some interior parts, wheels. These bits here are very small parts which will be attached to the exhaust, and it's going to be a very detailed exhaust. This bag here contains 2 sprues. The first one contains the missiles, as you can see there, and some pylons. Again, very clean, recessed panel lines and no flash. This last sprue contains the cockpit parts with the seats, with the instrument panel, and the front of the fuselage, and the cockpit tab. There's 2 sheets of decals. This one here contains the templates There's lots of them. This other one contains the external markings and some instrument panels. These decals here are for the body. Nice clean colors, and the printing is good quality. Well aligned, clear colors. There you go. Very much looking forward to putting this model together, and we'll do that as part of another vlog. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Thank you so much for watching.